Morning everyone. As you can hear, we're back at the golf with that annoying noise. So I posted that video yesterday and I had a few guys got back to me. So I had a phone call, a good phone call this morning with Russell Duncan. He had commented, so he was going to help me code this thing if I couldn't manage it. But first of all, I got an email through from Miles Waller and he's gave me a code here to try. Oh dear, this went off. So it says, Sandy, try these codes, 002121. He also talks about OBD11. Now, I had looked at that, and I've heard some great reviews for that thing, especially about coding. And it's like 120 quid as opposed to VCDS, although Russell said VCDS is very good, but it's a 550 quid. So he said if that doesn't work, you could drop the 00. So let's try that first of all. So, see that noise, man. So we'll go into the brake control module. So we'll continue. So we'll review it. See, it's still got the zeros. There it's there, the zeros. Now Russell was telling me that this is the workshop. It's coded it. That's what that number is. WSC. So anyway, learned something new there. So we'll go into functional test, special function, and we'll go into vary coding function. We'll go continue. So we'll go into edit. We'll go this number here. So it's 00 backspace. So 00 21121 21121. We'll shut down the box. We'll go OK. 002121. We'll go OK. Oh, the coding was accepted. Oh, yeah, beauty. So let's continue. So we'll go back. And we'll go back. We'll go codes only. Now remember there was no codes in the thing before. No codes. And then we'll review it. So it's accepted the coding. Oh, this is looking good. So let's exit out that. Let's back out. Let's see if the beeping stopped. Continue. Oh, I think we've done it, my man. You're some man, Miles. Oh, the lights are gone. Oh, this is some community. So we'll just start the thing. Ah, oh, you're wonderful. Wonderful, man. What a community we're building here. So let's stop the car, start her again, lights come on, lights go off. Well, Miles, you're the man, sir. You're the man, let me see. So there we go, a big thank you to Miles. I'm sure it was you, Miles, who got me out of that pickle before. Wait, now I'll put that off. With the power steering. You're wonderful, you're wonderful. So I think I'll maybe look at that OBD11. Take that for there. But Miles, thank you very much, sir. You have made a man who's an octogenarian. That's not me, I'm only 50 odds. The guy who owns this car, he's a fine old guy. And he was wanting it fixed because the noise was driving him insane. But that's brilliant. Thank you very much. I'm so appreciative of it. Thank you everyone. Cheers.